Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change account location on Roblox website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Roblox.com. So you might be wanting to change your account location if you, for example, move country or you're currently in a different part of the world. So to do this, what you want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto the scare icon to bring up this menu, and then come down, click onto Settings. Now in here, you want to make sure you're on the Account Info section. So if you come to this menu on the left-hand side, you want to click onto Account Info. Then what you need to do is scroll down slightly until you get to the Personal section, just down here. And in here, you're going to see your account location. You can see there is no any option to change your account location. Now just bear in mind, you can only change this once you've your account location. If you do want to change it again, what you need to do is contact Roblox support. That's the case for you. What want to do is come up to the address by top and you want to put roblox.com/support. And in here, what you need to do is go ahead, fill in this form and put your email address in. And then in issue details, you need to select the device that you're using. So whether that's PC or an Android device or Xbox, whichever one you want to use. Then in type of help category, you want to click onto this. And in menu, you want to click on how to. That's going to bring you up another drop-down menu. And in here, you want to click on to how to change location. Then all you need to do is come down to the description box. And in this box here, you just want to say that you've basically moved location. You've moved location again, but you do not have the option to change your location in the settings. Please can you help me to change my location? And what's going to happen is Roblox get into contact with you via your email. So the email you put into this form, generally it takes about 48 hours for them to respond. But what they're going to do is help you to change your location again if you've already changed it and you don't see the option to change your location in the settings. So that's basically how you can change account location on Roblox website. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.